You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling green hills, lived a bustling community of ants. These ants were known for their diligent nature and their ability to work together as a team. Every day, they would embark on various tasks, diligently marching in an organized manner. One sunny morning, as the ants gathered in their anthill, they received news of an upcoming picnic in the neighboring meadow. Excitement buzzed through the colony as they prepared for the grand event. They assigned different roles to each group of ants, from carrying food and drinks to setting up the picnic area. As the ants set off on their march towards the meadow, their tiny legs moved in perfect synchronization. They chanted a lively song as they went, the ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Along the way, they encountered a small stream blocking their path. Undeterred, they formed a bridge with their bodies, allowing their fellow ants to cross safely. The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah, they sang cheerfully. Further ahead, they encountered a fallen log obstructing their way. With their collective strength, they worked together to move the obstacle and continued their march. The ants go marching three by three, hurrah, hurrah, their song echoed through the meadow. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in, and rain began to pour. The ants hurriedly sought shelter under nearby leaves and petals. But the rain kept pouring, threatening to spoil their picnic. Determined not to let the weather dampen their spirits, they devised a plan. Working together, they formed a canopy using leaves and twigs, creating a shelter to protect their food and drinks. Their teamwork paid off, and they continued their march under their makeshift roof. The ants go marching four by four, hurrah, hurrah, their voices harmonized with the pitter-patter of raindrops. As they approached the meadow, the ants were met with a surprising sight. A group of mischievous grasshoppers had invaded the picnic area, attempting to steal their hard-earned feast. The ants quickly sprang into action, surrounding the grasshoppers and driving them away. The ants go marching five by five, hurrah, hurrah, their victory song filled the air. With the grasshoppers defeated, the ants finally reached their destination. They set up the picnic area with precision and care, displaying an array of delicious treats. The meadow transformed into a joyful gathering as the ants enjoyed their well-deserved feast. As the sun began to set, the ants returned to their anthill, their bellies full and their hearts content. They sang their final verse, bidding farewell to the day's adventures. The ants go marching 10 by 10, hurrah, hurrah, their voices faded into the night. And so, dear children, the story of the ants teaches us the power of unity, hard work, and perseverance. Just like the ants, when we come together and support one another, we can overcome any obstacles that come our way. Remember their song and their unwavering spirit as you march through life, knowing that with determination and teamwork, you can achieve great things. Now, close your eyes, my little ones, and drift off to sleep with the cheerful tune of the marching ants in your hearts. Good night and sweet dreams.